Generating amazing videos is super easy. Describe what you imagine and let Tangra AI create it for you. Today, you'll learn how to generate videos from text or images. To follow along, go to this link or download our mobile app. Before you begin, explore what others have created. When you open a video, you'll see its prompt along with the model used. Ready to create your first video? You can start with something simple, like a cute cat. You can then tweak your prompt, change settings, and generate as many videos as you need, until your vision comes to life. To get great results, start with a clear and detailed prompt. There are 5 pillars at the core of each prompt that guide the AI model. The subject, or the main character, is what the video centers around. A sequence of scenes explains actions, movements, and transitions. Style refers to the techniques used, like animation type and realism level. The tone, or the emotional atmosphere, sets the mood, while the camera angle determines how the viewer experiences the story. We offer you an easy way to try all popular AI models. Each model has its own strengths. Some focus on visual effects, while others excel at realistic visuals. You'll notice differences in length, aspect ratio, and other settings. Since each model will interpret your prompts differently, we encourage you to experiment. Try the same prompt across multiple models and compare the results. Some models only work with text prompts. Others require images as input. Image to video means starting with a single image and using AI to animate or expand it into a short video, adding motion, transitions, or effects to bring the scene to life. Multi-image to video uses a sequence of images to create a more dynamic story, where each image becomes a frame or chapter, and the AI blends them into a smooth visual narrative. Here is an example of a video created from 2 images. The first is of a woman looking at an old blurred black and white photograph. The second image shows the same woman, smiling, placing the beautifully restored colorful photo into an elegant frame. To recap, create your prompts using the 5 pillars: subject, scenes, style, tone, and point of view. Select the AI model, upload images if needed, and set up video length, aspect ratio, and so on. Then tweak the prompt or settings and try again until you're happy with the result.